Hello, fellow travelers. It is the morning of day 2 of my 5-day cruise going to Cabo San Lucas and Ensenada on the Carnival Firenze. First time on this ship, of course. It hasn't been sailing under the Carnival banner very long now. I think it started in April on this particular route after its rebranding. So it still has the Costa funnel instead of the whale tail, and there's several other differences. So I was kind of surprised they kept the funnel the same. But the other things, of course, are just because it's that cruising Italian style or carnival Italian style. I'm not sure how they put it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Today is a sea day. I have ducks to hide. I have mischief to get into. I'm going to go probably shopping and wander around the ship and try different things. And I'll take you along for the ride. Let's go. This is lunch in the buffet.
Yeah, so when it's a right arm, it's a left. When it's a left, it's a right. Sound good? Let's do it from the top, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tiny bubbles, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like tiny bubbles. Makes me happy. Makes me feel fine. Yes. For the last moment, I want to tell you thank you very much for enjoying. So by the way, the one I promised you, one of the photo, and the melting chocolate inside of the envelope.
Oh,
yes.
lovely.
And thank you very much for enjoying.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.